Welcome back to Spice Fry. Today, we bring to you a dish from the land of Andhra Pradesh called Chciken Kadi Patta. And as you must have guessed it right, the main ingredient in this dish is curry leaves or kadi patta. Now the curry leaves here not only give the dish a beautiful green color but also a very refreshing taste. So let's see how it's made. There are two main steps to this dish. First is preparing the paste, next is preparing the tempering. So let's begin with the paste. Start by frying 8 to 10 stalks of curry leaves in 4 teaspoons of oil. You can use coconut oil here for an enhanced flavor. Add in 1 coarsely chopped medium-sized onion and mix well. Followed by 1 teaspoon of salt. Next up, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of green chili paste. Mix it all well, and after the onions begin to soften a little, add in 1 coarsely diced medium-sized tomato. Cover with the lid to let all the ingredients soften up nicely. Lastly, mix in 1 cup of coriander leaves, and now this is ready to be blended into a paste. Now on to the tempering. Crack about 1 teaspoon of mustard in 4 teaspoons of oil. Add 2 to 3 stalks of curry leaves and fry them. Once the leaves start to crispen, add in 350 grams of boneless chicken marinated in ginger garlic paste. Saute the chicken in the pan till it loses its translucency, and then add in 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Give this a good toss before adding in the kadi patta paste that we have already prepared. And now for the final leg of the dish, squeeze the juice of 1 lemon. Once the paste is in, mix it well with the chicken and then cover the pan with the lid to let the flavors infuse. And now your chicken kadi patta is ready to be served hot with rotis or parathas. Do make this and let us know how it turned out in the comment section below. And also stay tuned to Spice Fry for more unique recipes like this.